how does the pandemic impact parenting time? Varies between the situations and the fact pattern, but generally speaking, the courts have said that the pandemic does not impact parenting time. Now, it may impact joint decision making that the parties have to make together, right? So specifically health and education. Those are the two that come to mind. So when you think about parenting time and decision making, think about extremes, because that's what a pandemic is, right? It's an extreme situation. Things that come to mind for me are vaccinations, sending kids back to school rather than having them schooled at home by a parent, right? Those are things that can impact and often will impact the rights of parents during a pandemic. So one parent wants the child to stay at home because it's safer. Another parent wants the child to go to school to socialize, right? Those things are those are the pieces I think that are going to be impacted the most. And you just have to have your ducks in a row. If your position is on either side, do your due diligence, do your homework, look at the stats, look at the statistics, look at the specifics of that school, look at specifics regarding kids that have vaccinations or not. Typically speaking, they're not impacted as much by the pandemic and by the COVID-19, but that's not definitive. And I think when you talk about co-parenting and parenting time, there are extreme situations that I can think of where parenting time would change. What if one parent regularly exposes a child to COVID, right? So they regularly go to parties, right? They regularly go without masks. They regularly go without social distancing. And I'm saying regularly, not isolated incidents, right? And it's kind of the same deal with any other extreme situation. If the one party continues to put the child in situations that are not in their best interest, I think those are the situations that are probably more actionable.